At Brighton Park Pond, a fish roundup is underway.
It could be, if there's a lot of fish, it could be kind of like a rodeo.
Paul Winkle is an aquatic biologist for Colorado Parks and Wildlife.
What we were doing today is called boat electrofishing. And so basically we have a boat with a generator on it that produces electricity.
The electrofishing is a way to reel in the fish to make way for improvements at the pond.
The bottom of the pond is a natural surface, and it's been seeping water through the bottom of the pond.
Bob Woods is the city's manager of open space and forestry.
The city's been having to fill it up with well water, which is costing us a lot of money to just basically waste all that water. And it's costing a lot of resources as well. So we hired a contractor to come in and put a lining on the bottom of the pond. It's a clay lining, and that's going to keep the water from seeping out so quickly, so we don't have to spend so much money and waste so much water refilling it every year.
Before the pond can be drained, the electrofishing is an effort to save the fish through direct currents.
What it does is it forces the contraction of their swimming muscles, and it forces them to swim toward the wires that are hanging in the water. So they're forced to swim toward those wires, and then when they get into within a foot range of the wires, then it knocks them out, and they're out for maybe 1 or 2 minutes.
In total, about 200 fish, including largemouth bass, will be transported and released to Ken Mitchell Lake. For Jason Rael and his daughters Serenity and Zoe, this may be their last day of fishing at Brighton Park Pond for a while.
Definitely will be sad because we won't be able to fish here for a little bit.
The project is expected to be done at the end of summer.
Once they fill up the lake again, we'll have them come in and put in the fingerlings, and it'll be open again for fishing.
I'm sure long term that's going to make it helpful, and then obviously as far as conservation, that's going to be better for the resources of the city and the water as well.